So good.
If you're looking for a smoothie that's great for gut health, hydration, and boosting energy levels, this one's for you. Let's go! So here's what you'll need for today's recipe. 2 yellow dragon fruits, 2 small to medium bananas or 1 large one, 2 limes, 1 packet of acai, 2 teaspoons of organic pumpkin and sunflower seeds, 2 teaspoons of organic hemp, chia, and flax seeds, 2 cups of coconut water, and 2 tablespoons of Seamoss Gel. Now, originally from South America, dragon fruit is packed with fiber, supports digestion, and hydrates the body. And even though yellow and red dragon fruit are both from the cactus species, there are key differences between them. Yellow dragon fruit has white flesh with black seeds, whereas the red version can have white, red, or deep magenta flesh. I personally prefer eating the yellow dragon fruit as it's sweeter than red, but I do love the vibrant color that red dragon fruit adds to my smoothies. So give them both a try and see what you prefer. Now, if I'm not using a nut milk, my liquid of choice for blending my smoothies is coconut water. It's rich in natural electrolytes like potassium, sodium, and magnesium, which help to keep you hydrated. Plus, in my opinion, it's super flavorful and refreshing. Now, I personally prefer using the 365 Fair Trade coconut water from Whole Foods or the Harmless Harvest coconut water. Now, limes are great for adding some acidity and vitamin C to your juice, which helps to boost immunity. The citric acid in lime juice can help to boost metabolism and promote fat burning when combined with a healthy lifestyle. Now, the fruit I'm using in this video, minus the acai, come from a variety box I ordered from miamifruit. With that said, I'm fairly confident this variety of banana is a Namwa banana, which is a variety from Southeast Asia. These bananas are creamier and sweeter than regular ones, making them perfect for smoothies. They provide natural energy and help regulate digestion. And if you're looking for exotic fruits like this, click the link in the description below. They're not a sponsor yet, but miamifruit, I'd love to work with you, so check them out and let them know I sent you. Acai is originally from Brazil and is an antioxidant powerhouse that helps to fight inflammation and keeps your skin glowing. Seamoss Gel is the ultimate superfood with 92 minerals. It's great for thyroid health, skin, and immunity. I personally get my Seamoss from Gills Sea Moss, which I absolutely recommend. What's great about this gel is that it's Purple Sea Moss, and it's also mixed with elderberry, so you get the added antioxidants because of that. Now, pumpkin and sunflower seeds supports heart and bone health, as well as thyroid and muscle function, while hemp, chia, and flax seeds are loaded with omega-3s, fiber, and protein, making this smoothie amazing for heart health, digestion, and sustained energy.
Wow, look at that color.
This recipe made 3 bottles, so about 54 ounces, which is just shy of half a gallon. Now I want to hear from you. Drop a comment below and let me know what smoothie recipe do you want me to try next. And if you're looking for another fruit recipe I've made using exotic fruit from miamifruit, check out my ultimate tropical juice. And of course, if you enjoy this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button, subscribe, and tell a friend to tell a friend. Let's get healthy together, one juice at a time. So stay blessed, stay healthy, and keep juicing. God bless. Peace.